At ang ating huling finalist ngayong gabi, ating Binibini mula sa Pangasinan. Magandang gabi, Binibini. Maaari mo nang buksan ang iyong envelope. Ang iyong napili ay si Ginoong Josely Rojas.
Hello, good evening, Miss Pangasinan.
Good evening.
Okay, the category for the question is Filipino culture, cuisine, and identity, or pagkaing Pilipino at pagkakakilalan. In English, Filipino cuisine is gaining popularity worldwide. How do you think promoting Filipino food can help promote the country's cultural identity internationally? And in Tagalog, ang lutuing Filipino ay sumisikat na sa buong mundo. Sa iyong palagay, paano makakatulong ang pagtataguyod ng pagkaing Pilipino sa pagtulong at pagkakakilanlang pangkultura ng bansa sa buong mundo?
Philippines is very rich in different cuisines. In each province, we have different foods that we offer. In my home province, we have binagoongan. And from bagoong itself, we have the root of it, which is asin. And asin depicts the diverse culture of Pangasinan. Each grain of salt is different in size, but it shares the same taste, which represents unity in diversity. And through this, I can promote the cuisines here in the Philippines through digital preservation. And I'm going to say that I am a proud Filipino, and I will